Okay, what are we even gonna do? Um, you know what? I gotta be honest with you. I'm totally out of ideas. But yeah, but actually, I don't even think we should spend too much time even planning. It seems like these videos are best if they're just spontaneous. Yeah, I mean, let's face it. We're never gonna plan anything anyway. It's too fun just doing this. Okay, so that's 42 seconds. This video is pretty short, we're probably gonna run out of time. But okay. So hey, Boozhoo ni jona shanabe dog. And welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I have a special guest today. I say that every time. I mean, how special is it really if every guest is a special guest? I have a regular guest here. Say hello, Michael. Hello, Michael. Oh, that's a good one. Now that's a pretty old one, actually. Okay, so I have a special guest here, Michael Lyons, and he's an Ojibwe language cartoonist. Michael Lyons is the creator and the author of Ojiberish, the online comics. Are you still doing this even? No, actually, I haven't done any gibberish cartoons in, I don't know, probably over a year. Oh, okay. So, what exactly am I trying to promote here? Are you plugging a new book or anything? Nope, don't have any new books. Oh, that's not even true. What? Sorry. Yeah, we do actually have a new book. Um, and it's called, where is it here? Hold on a second. It's called Nana Boozhoo. Nana Boozhoo, Ojibwe words and phrases. And this is out on Amazon right now, and I don't even know how much it is. I could look it up, I suppose. I think it's like $9.50 or $10 or $12 or something. Yeah, hold on a sec. I'll just check. The bookmarks, and then down to here it is, Amazon. It's $12. Nana Boozhoo, Ojibwe words and phrases. $12. Yeah. Okay. So tell people what they get for $12. Well, it's just how to pronounce certain Ojibwe words and phrases. Got a bunch of photographs of you, and I don't know. I think it would make a good Christmas gift. Seems like it's a good time to plug this. But I think if you're gonna make them for Christmas gifts, you should probably order pretty soon. Okay, this is probably long enough. All right. Do you wanna do your thing, and I'll whatever. Just wanna go. Yeah, I know what you're trying to say. I'm gonna do my thing. Okay. Well, hey, miigwech, Michael. Thank you for being a guest on the show, and I'll make sure I go out and buy that book. Looks pretty good to me. Eh? Okay, well, you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Igawabamin Minowa Hoa. All right, that was pretty good, Michael.